Hey guys, I'm Sunny and welcome back to another episode of Sunny's Effin Delicious. Today we're going to be doing another Pinch of Nom recipe review. For those of you who don't know, Pinch of Nom is a weight loss recipe website with their own range of low calorie cookbooks, and today I'm testing out their Chicken Katsu curry. Last week I tested out their low calorie lasagna recipe and I was very skeptical until I actually tried it. So for this recipe I'm going to keep an open mind the whole way through. Alright, let's start off with about 10 squirts of our Fry Light olive oil spray before adding in our chopped garlic and onions. Let these saute for a few minutes, then go ahead and add your chopped carrots and diced potatoes. Guys, the exact quantities are in the descriptions below. Then let's go in and add our seasonings: 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 chicken stock cubes, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 700 milliliters of room temperature water. Mix everything together, bring it to a boil, cover it and let it simmer on a low temperature for about 40 minutes. While our sauce is simmering, let's prepare our chicken. Now traditionally we would be using a beautiful panko breading to coat our chicken, but this is a low calorie recipe so it calls for crushed salted tortilla chips. Next, lay out your chicken breast and whisk 1 egg. We're dredging our chicken breast in the egg before topping them with our crushed chips. In order to control calories, the recipe only allows us to coat part of the chicken breast. And at this point I find myself questioning this recipe, but again I have to keep an open mind. Once the chicken is ready, go ahead and foil a baking tray and place the chicken on top before placing in a preheated oven for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. While our chicken bakes in the oven, let's complete the final stages of our sauce. I must say this looks and smells delicious. Let's go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sweetener and stir this in. Next we're going to go in with a hand blender and blend for a good 5 minutes or until we've reached a nice silky consistency. This is the consistency we're looking for. If yours is too thick, then go ahead and add a touch of water to loosen it up. Okay, our chicken should be ready now. Let's take this out of the oven and allow it to rest for just a second. I'm chopping up some fresh parsley as a garnish, but this is optional. Right, let's get ready to plate up. I like to slice my chicken up into about 4 or 5 strips. Place a scoop or 2 of your sauce directly onto the plate. Spread using a spoon to create a bed for our crispy chicken. This certainly looks like chicken katsu. I actually can't wait to taste it now. I'm serving mine with some white rice and a mixed green salad. And there you have it, Pinch of Nom style chicken katsu curry coming in at 516 calories per portion. But that's without the rice and the salad, which kind of makes me think what's the point, but on their website it does state that this is an occasional recipe, so I'm guessing this is a cheat meal of sorts. Okay, let's do the taste test. With Pinch of Nom recipes I find I'm always on the fence with the first bite. I can't say this tastes bad, it's actually quite good. If I was craving chicken katsu, would this really kill the craving? Maybe. Overall I would say this is tasty, it's a nice alternative to chicken katsu and my family enjoyed it, so yes, I would make this again. Guys, if you enjoyed this recipe review, please like, subscribe, comment and share this video. I will see you guys tomorrow for another episode of Sunny's Effin Delicious.